This is the summer that I chased waterfalls, walked deeper into the forest, and I kicked a frog. So stay while I share my world and beyond, while learning why Sarah is Sarah is Sarah. Driving through Tennessee, the countryside. This is probably what most of you think of Tennessee, and you are not completely wrong. Well, I did not completely plan to film this, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. And this, my friends, is Rock Island, Twin Peaks Falls. Not quite. We're at the beach first. Yes, there's a freshwater beach, and I think she's meditating. So that's why she's talking. And we love some good KFC whenever we go hiking or go out and about. So here you go. And wow, look at the majesty. These are actually the Twin Peak Falls. There's two of them.
This by myself, I can't put myself.
Oh my gosh, look at the little. Oh, I think that one's a donkey, and then the one in the back is a horse. Hi!
Okay, Virgin Falls State Natural Area. It's not a park, it's an area. We are hoping to see a lot of water and a lot of waterfalls, which are my favorite body of water after the ocean. Because we love movement, yes. And it says the trail is strenuous, so alright, let's go. Into the woods, and back before dawn. This is where Virgin Falls is, where we want to go. And then Martha's Pretty Point. Ooh, hey Martha. And then that's where we are. So we gotta go 4.3 miles.
But Virgin Falls Trail is 8.5 miles total.
Total, that's it. We had no idea what was in store for us.
So it go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow.
It's not true. Did you just say, don't touch anything? Everything is poison, guys. Like lava, but poison. Poison ivy on everything. I've actually never gotten poison ivy before. Have you ever gotten poison ivy?
Always look the same. When words have no place, and time has escaped. Ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should be human beings, and not just pieces.
It is a wee fern. I love ferns. They're so cute.
I'm here. Sarah is Sarah is Sarah.
Hey! And we came upon some rock trolls. She's dancing for all the rock trolls, like in Frozen, you know, when they all start singing. So we just ran into someone at around the mile mark in, it hasn't even been that long, and asked her, hey, how's the falls today? And she sighed and was like, it's a really long walk. And apparently there's gonna be a part where it's so steep and slippery that you have to hold on to a rope. So what are we doing? Jen from accounting, what are we doing? You know what? This is the other side of Jen from accounting that you guys don't get to see. She is letting her inner Jen from accounting now becomes Jen the adventurer. That is what is happening right now. Look at the fungus. So I think we got to our first roped area, and I think it's to give us stability as we walk across this. Yeah, she's going for it.
I'm ready.
Whatever you do, do it with a flair. Okay, Paddington Bear, let's go. Okay, here's the little rope thing. Oh, it's just a little... Oh, okay. All right.
get there, I'm going to be really dark. I want to go back. So I'm saying, Mom, we're here already. And then we just keep going and see how far we can go.
So,
Okay, we keep going.
okay, let's see what happens.
Oh my gosh, it's a toad. Where's your buddy, Mr. Frog? Or are you a frog?
Whoa.
Wow, look at you. Just tied to this tree. And then we're on a hill. My goodness. Oh, it's a centipede. Oh, hello. You are most definitely poisonous. Do you see this? This is my natural glow.
2 hours later.
I think I hear it. Do you hear it, guys? We made it! Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm never walking again after this hike. We still have to go back 4 miles. Y'all. Oh my gosh.
Nobody knows how much for a better end. Never too hard.
So, I might be falling for you.
I should have noticed. I should have spoken up before we got tangled in an empty love. Take what you think you wanted. It doesn't do us good to memorize details of another time.
I like it.
Never too hard. Follow your heart.
I realized I'm very food oriented. I literally perk up at food. Waterfalls? Cool. Apple? That was amazing. These are rock formations and they make me think of pancakes, like Chinese scallion pancakes with like the layers inside them. So anyways, I'm hungry. It's time to go. It's time to head back. We done good. Guys, look at these little champagne grapes. I promise this is not relevant to the video. They're so tiny. Like, look at them. Now I feel like I'm in like a Renaissance painting, you know, one of the ones that are like, they're just lying there and they're just, oh my gosh, they're so cute. By the way, these are called champagne grapes. This is definitely the summer that I chased waterfalls in Tennessee. I didn't film the end of Virgin Falls because we got home at like 10 p.m. after walking 4 miles to the falls and then 4 miles back. So it's basically it was more than 8 miles, and we got there around 3:30 in the afternoon to go hiking, which probably wasn't the smartest. We were walking back from the falls and the forest was dark. And guys, let me tell you, this is how I stepped on a frog / kicked a frog. Okay, so it was around 8 p.m.-ish as we were walking back. I can no longer see things. So we pull out our flashlight on our phones and we're, you know, pointing it at the ground, and it's looking very paranormal activity. So let me just make a PSA, a public service announcement to the forest. Dear forest, hello. It is dark, we are humans, so I am very sorry if I'm gonna step on one of you guys, but please stay out of the way. There we go. Also, I was very loopy and delirious at this point, so, and my feet really hurt. Next thing you know, 5 minutes, I kid you not, after that PSA, here we go. We got visuals, okay? So here is my foot, okay? It is, you know, I'm walking, and then as I like swing my foot mid-air, next thing you know, it just collides with, like, I just see this like white underbelly, like boing, something like super soft, and then it just goes sailing through the air, and then I realize, oh my gosh, it's a frog. But you know, it like, you know, torpedoes and spirals, but then it lands, and then, but it's very shook. Frog looks at me, I look at the frog, and I start apologizing profusely. I'm like, I'm so sorry, frog. I kicked you. Yeah, and then we got back to the house around like 10 p.m. that night, and I could not walk for like 2 days. My hips, my ankles, my neck, my back. Yeah, I don't think walking is quite for me. No, I mean, it was really cool to be able to say that we could hike like around 9 miles in one day. I don't think I've ever done anything like that, so that was pretty cool, testing my endurance. Right now, we're about to go to Rutledge Falls, but we are in the drive-thru waiting for Popeyes. T-Mobile Tuesdays, thank you for that free deal. Yeah, Mom, are you looking forward to fried chicken? Okay, we gotta drive. Yeah, hold on. And, oh my gosh, look at him in the back. Bottom! All right, we're ready. We are ready to go to the falls. So it was free. Oh, so cute. Awesome. Yeah! Thanks again for T-Mobile Tuesday for giving us all this free chicken and biscuits. Awesome.
Woo! Camping! Blue sky, open area, lovely daughter.
Joanna, this is dedicated to you. You gave me my first sandwich.
First time eating this sandwich. It's a good taste. Crispy.
I think it's crispier than KFC. Okay, we made it.
In here it's cold, it's always raining, always snowing, almost May. The thought of you so far away just breaks me down, and I'm afraid I'm stuck. Now I gotta fix this by myself. I can't put my sins up on your shelf. There's no way to win unless you fail. There's no sunny days without some hail. Well, it never seems so hard to take. Felt you in my dreams and thought you'd stay.
我觉得今天的瀑布还好，可是我觉得太多人了，所以 I like Virgin Falls because there was like no one. There was nowhere to swim. So, oh man, we're tired. Yeah, he did poop at the falls, and we did pick it up. And we had to carry it all the way back up. Don't litter, guys. Pick up everything, even your poo. Well, you know, even though quarantine and social distancing has been more challenging to find things to do, I feel like we took this chance this summer to go chase waterfalls and go out into nature. You know, great things to explore in Tennessee, Nashville if you're ever here. So go chase some waterfalls, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye. And I'm glad I got to explore that with my mom and just to really spend this time with her during this pandemic, because I don't think probably in the trajectory of my young life and youth that I would probably have this chance to be at home and spend this quality time with her.